Come on now, swing on by.
It's just, the nearest one is Palmetto, so I'm not always looking to drive 40 minutes to the grocery store.
All right, Marantz 2238B, second video. Cleaned it all up. Deoxy controls, but they're still a bit scratchy.
But just for fun, do you really have a farm locally where you can get those types of fruit?
And it's even on both channels.
Yes, sir. 300 acres out in Duet Terrace off of Bunker Hill.
So, a different story to what it was 2 hours ago.
He's working a long con.
I think so too, but I respect the hustle.
Well, good FM on here.
Hello. From the 317. Hello.
In sports, 3 goals is a hat trick. And when you bundle your home and auto with Progressive, you get a hat trick of great savings and round-the-clock protection. So you might be thinking, wait.
And just on that piece of antenna there.
Great savings counts as 2 goals, and so does round-the-clock protection. So it's like 4 goals, and that's more than 3. It's basic math.
Force Metaphors, presented by Progressive. Bundle and protect today. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company and affiliates. Discount not available in all states or situations.
My leg was painful.
Stood for 25 years. A little more deoxy, I think, into there.
Wait.
He told his doctor and found out his leg pain, swelling, and redness are deep vein thrombosis, a blood clot which could travel to the lungs and lead to a pulmonary embolism, which could cause chest pain or discomfort.
Wow, that's pretty sweet. These old Marantzes are very nice.
One or more of these symptoms, this
I
is
have a
not
2220B. Yeah, I think that's it. That's a very sweet amplifier.
Fun with the family. So you.
Well, I have a 2325. That's very sweet also, but obviously more powerful.
A customized Cash Rewards credit card, you can choose to earn 3% cash back for online shopping, which could increase to up to 5.25% as a preferred rewards member. Rewards which you can put toward an extra treat that everyone will enjoy, like an old-fashioned popcorn machine. Visit bankofamerica.com/more
A couple of the lights are out, obviously.
Copyright 2021
Typical.
Bank of America Corporation.
But you can get the LED kit on this for, I don't know, $25 off eBay.
TRT Pro, you'll know it was made to make a statement.
Because stereo light comes on.
Section of the letter.
It's very possible the stereo light is out on this.
Control of your life. Office in Tampa.
That should be stereo.
We do printing, scanning, faxing, copying, packing, shipping, pretty much everything you could think of.
What about mailboxing?
Of course.
Notarizing?
That too.
How about
Well, that wasn't even on loudness.
Sir.
kind of weird?
Yeah, that should pick up stereo. So we've got a bulb out on it, no doubt. No big deal. Comes with a kit.
I'd really love to be Drew's first.
He's got a. When you were doing the impersonation, you were doing it in a New York accent.
That was the comedian Mo had on.
Oh, that was a different.
And that's Pink Floyd on the reel-to-reel there. 4-track, 7.5 ips. I'm only playing it through these rinky-dink little speakers, so you can imagine a set of JBL 200s, for instance, with some system. Typical clarity from reel to reel.
I want to tell you a story about a little man, if I can. A gnome named Grimble Crumble, and little gnomes stay in their homes.
Wow, very sweet. Bit more deoxit, bit more cleaning.
In the organ and phoned his music, and chasing traffic. And
who are you talking about? Did you say Russ Rollins?
No, Russ Adams.
Oh, gotcha.
Yes. And I was with him until the very.
So, there you have it. Marantz 2238B.